Please help me get rid of this hump in my yard. I pulled up an azalea and now I have a hump. I want grass to grow back over it smoothly with the rest of the yard. What should I do? Thank you. And this is from Mona right here in Memphis. So help, she has a hump in her yard.
Well, it's time to get out the shovel, unfortunately, and pull back that grass and try to level it out as best you can.
I think that's, yeah, shovel is one option. Two, I thought a good rake would be another option. The third thing, maybe pull out a tiller, you think?
Yeah, yeah.
And, just kind of, till it in pretty good and then smooth it out, with the rake, and I think that may help.
Yes.
But yeah, a hump after pulling up an azalea though.
Yeah, usually you have a sunk in place, but
Right.
but yeah.
Okay. So shovel, good rake, till it up, smooth it over. You got a lot to work to do, Ms. Mona.
Yeah.
All right. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.